Hey guys, my name is Ryan. How are you doing? You guys already know my Instagram page as Violent Shock, and this is actually my first edited video for you guys. When it comes down to night photography in Philadelphia, I have a lot of places that I love to shoot. And so in this video, I'll provide you with 7 locations in Philadelphia that are pretty dope to do some night photography at. Now these 7 places are not in any order whatsoever. It's just 7 places. And if you're not familiar with Philadelphia and you guys want to check out like different like places to shoot, I highly suggest these places. There are some rules and regulations at certain places, and there are certain times that they close and open. So check it out. Here we go. Number 1, South Street Bridge. South Street Bridge is kind of located in the edge of the city, center city, you could say. And on this spot, you can actually get a good shot of the city skyline along the Schuylkill River. So the South Street Bridge is kind of tricky at night whenever you're shooting with a tripod, because usually when the cars drive behind you, the bridge shakes a little bit. So take that in consideration when doing night photography and long exposure shots. And if you are gonna do long exposure shots at the bridge, I suggest that you guys use a tripod. Just use a tripod. It's pretty dope. With a wide angle lens, you can get the whole entire skyline, including the FMC building, which is pretty dope, and the Amtrak building and the 30th Street station. Pretty cool. Now if you got a zoom lens, you can just go in and go crazy and just zoom into every freaking building and windows. Don't be a pervert though. Don't be a pervert. That's weird. Don't be weird. Just don't be weird. Next, the art museum. So everybody knows the art museum. Why? Because of Rocky. Rocky, yes. But anyway, at the art museum is a phenomenal place to get a shot of the city skyline. Now you can actually set up your camera or handheld or tripod on top of the Rocky steps. That's what they call Rocky steps. From there you can get like a shot of City Hall and its surrounding buildings, and it's just a clear shot right there. And the cool thing about it is this: when you go to the right of the art museum, and like you can actually get another shot of the skyline, the city skyline, with the Schuylkill River right there in front of you. It's pretty dope. Behind the art museum, you can actually get a shot of the Boathouse Row and the Schuylkill River waterfalls. That's what I call it, the Schuylkill River waterfalls. Yeah. Boathouse Row. It's pretty cool. It's like a bunch of houses. It's like Christmas every year. The whole year. It's Christmas the whole year at Boathouse Row. It's like your neighbor that doesn't want to, take their lights off. If you guys are familiar with Always Sunny in Philadelphia, it's a famous scene in Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Yeah. It's famous. You like that? You like famous places? Number 3, Penn's Landing. What? Okay, so let's say what's in Penn's Landing. So you got the USS Olympia, you got the USS Buchanan. I think I butchered that. It's a submarine. Which one's the submarine? I don't know. One of them is a submarine. There's a submarine in there. The Mushulu. In Penn's Landing, it's pretty dope. If you are a photographer and also an alcoholic, you can get some beer at their little beer garden thing. It's open. They also sell some freaking donuts there. Yeah, I know you want some donuts. Penn's Landing. In Penn's Landing, actually, you can get a shot of Camden. Who wants to shoot Camden? There's nothing there. There's Camden. It's fun, I guess. But it's not as cool as Philly. What? Camden? What? What are you going to do? Anyway, so from Penn's Landing, you can get a shot of the Benjamin Franklin Bridge. You can get a shot of the like old-timey ships there. There's like 3. And a submarine. You can't go in the submarine at night, but it'll be cool. Just don't do anything illegal and jump with the submarine at night. You'll get arrested. Don't do it. Don't. They also have a Ferris wheel there and a skate rink, which you can take advantage of. You know, the Ferris wheel is pretty cool when you shoot the Ferris wheel because it spins around, and for long exposure shots, you can make a whirly whirl and it looks like a big candy ball. Nope, light ball, not candy. Yep, candy, not light. I'm hungry. Anyway, so Penn's Landing, amazing. Go check it out. Bloom bloom. Penn's Landing. Number 4. What? All right, so Sierra Green. Sierra Green is a private property. No, yeah, it is. So in Sierra Green there's a little weird thing about Sierra Green. It opens from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, so 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. There's certain rules in Sierra Green. You basically take these elevators from it's next to the FMC building. You'll see big FMC, and it's really not hard to spot. And right there's like this little open space. It's like a little mini park on top of the building, sort of in between the buildings, which is really cool. You can get a shot of the skyline there. Okay, so night photography. There's a little rule there. Since it's private property, you cannot bring a tripod with you. Don't bring a tripod. Security will get you, and they'll tell you to knock it off. Yeah, because either one, I don't know if it's safety purposes or just most places in Philly, then you're out. You can't really use like your tripod at private places or, you know, whatever. Sierra Green. So what else is good with Sierra Green? Sierra Green is pretty cool. You can get the whole skyline of Philly, and on top of that, they also sell beer up there and food. Yeah. So you can be wasted while you're taking pictures, but you don't want to be doing that. You don't want to drop your camera off the ledge. That's gonna be really problematic for everybody. And security will probably get you. Hey, actually, security there at Sierra Green is pretty friendly. Well, one guy is very friendly. He said that he always watches me every time I go to the roof, and he tells me that I look like some sort of creepy dude. That's why he has a picture of me in their monitor all the time. Sierra Green is really cool because it's like a mini park, so you can just chill out on the grass, nice soft grass, perfect grass, super cool grass. It's really well maintained, and then you can sit there and take pictures. Yeah, if you're like a portrait photographer, you can get some really dope city skyline background shots while you're up there. Sierra Green, pretty cool. And also at night at Sierra Green, the side of Sierra Green is lit up with some neon LED lights. I don't know, it's not neon, it's LED lights. And they also change the colors based on what's going on in the city or whatever they feel like it. It's good stuff for photography. Yeah, night photography. Don't bring your tripod. Don't. They'll yell at you. They'll kick you off the freaking roof. Yeah, just don't. Number 5, Benjamin Franklin Bridge. Yeah, the big blue dude. Benjamin Franklin Bridge. It's a really, really nice bridge. So good, so nice. Slap that bridge and be like, hey man, I'm good. I'm built great. Ford tough. Benjamin Franklin Bridge. Oh man, big Benny Boo dude. Got the big blue bridge. You know, it's like Philadelphia's freaking Golden State Bridge. Is that what it is? Golden Gate Bridge. Ha! It's Philadelphia's Golden Gate Bridge that is blue. And it's named after Benjamin Franklin. Go Benny dude. Yeah, what up? Right over the Delaware River. So Benjamin Franklin Bridge is open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, so that's the summertime. The summer season is open from 7 a.m. to 6 a.m. During the summer season, spring season, summer season, it's open from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. But during the winter time, they close earlier. But this video is not being shot in the winter. Just look it up. I don't remember it. I didn't write it down in front of me. I'm a loser. Benjamin Franklin Bridge is a really great place to shoot because you can actually get a shot of Race Street. You can get a shot of like the trains going back and forth from Philly to Camden. It's a Patco line. And you can get some dope shots. Just be aware that if you're using a tripod at that bridge, it does move a little bit. So just make sure that if traffic is really heavy, you're gonna get a lot of camera shake. So just take that in consideration. Unless you're a super hand holder and you just want to go click click with your high ISO. I don't like high ISO, it freaks me out. Number 6, Chinatown. Come on, everybody likes Chinatown. Chinatown is actually a really dope place to shoot, and because of so many lights in there, there's a lot of lights in Chinatown. Even like late at night when there's restaurants are closed are like closed, you can still walk around and get some really neat colors and whatnot. Chinatown, pretty dope. There's food there and like ducks hanging at the windows. You can actually see those ducks at night too. It's pretty cool. They're just hanging out there, all cooked and whatnot. Chinatown is really nice. You have the Chinatown Arch, which you can shoot. It's kind of weird because the Chinatown Arch lights kind of like flash sometimes, and sometimes they have to replace the bulbs or something. At night, it's pretty cool because you can get like a bunch of nice shadows and silhouettes of people going in and out of the restaurants, because those restaurants, man, they stay up late, bro. They stay up late. Like, seriously? They're popping them freaking lo mains left and right. Also, I like Dim Sum Garden. If you guys ever go to Philly and Dim Sum Garden is still open, check it out. At Chinatown, there are a lot of like LED lights lit up in Arch in Chinatown. You'll see some really dope lights that you can mess around with. It's a really great place to shoot when it's very foggy too, and when it's raining. You get the reflection, it's insanity. Chinatown, I do suggest Chinatown, you guys go there. Great food, nice lighting. You got some really great characters there too. Oh, you'll know. I'm not gonna say it smells, but it does. Sometimes it smells. Chinatown stinks. But I like Chinatown. Just don't put your tripod in the ground and pick it up. Oh, watch out for, it's not poo water, but it's just like, it's like nasty water, nasty icky water. You don't want that, not on your tripod. No sir, just keep an eye out those icky water. Chinatown. Number 7, oh man, this is City Hall. Guess what, most of my shots are at City Hall. Why? Because you can get North Broad, South Broad, East and West Market. Boom. You got all that. You also got Dilworth Park, which is really cool. So Dilworth Park is it's really nice. Like back in the day, we used to skate it wasn't called Dilworth Park. Maybe it wasn't. It used to be like a nice hot, like dope, like skate spot. Now it's straight flat. We got some trees. They're real trees, pretty cool trees, and you got some lights, and you got the entranceway going into the subway. During the winter time, they will have a ice skating rink there, and during the summer, it'll be a roller skating rink. Now, at night, the gates close at City Hall, so you can't like take a picture in the inside corridor of City Hall at night unless you got like connections. Hey, if you got connections, tell me, please let me in there at night. I want to get some shots, please. I know some people that actually work in the city, but I'm not going to take advantage of that. Hi, you know me. Let me take a shot of it. Dilworth Park is actually really cool because sometimes they will turn on the steam. They have steam there. It's pretty dope. It comes from the ground. Some water squirts up, steam goes up. You can make some epic Batman photos. Yeah, Batman. You got City Hall too. Old William Penn's up there pointing at you like you're up to no good. It's pretty cool. William Penn. It's pretty dope. You'll like it. City Hall. From City Hall, you can get a shot of South Broad. In South Broad, you can actually see all these LED lights, and it's really cool. It's animated. It's pretty dope. From City Hall, you can actually see Love Park. Love Park is really cool. They also have fountains there that they turn on once in a while. Once in a while. Because they want to conserve water, man. You don't want, squirting all that water everywhere. It's expensive. It's my tax money. But it's beautiful. So these are my 7 places that I actually like to shoot at night. They're amazing. They're so good. You'll like them. Just go shoot there, man. Tell them Ryan sent you. Violent Shock sent you. If you guys like these 7 places that are provided for y'all, and you guys get some really nice shots there, tag me. Love me. No, tag me, seriously. Like, hey, Ryan, Violent Shock dude, told me to get a shot at this place. It's pretty dope. I didn't get jumped. These places are pretty safe. Don't worry. Don't worry. These places are pretty safe. Oh, I'll tell you what. I'm not going to tell you where to get jumped at. Philly is kind of rough. Bad things happen in Philly, but not these places. Not too much. Just don't look anybody in the eye. Because if you look at them in the eye, they're going to go, hey, what are you looking at, stupid? You don't want that. Once that conversation starts, you're gone, man. You're gone. Just kidding. Just kidding. Philly's pretty cool at night. Bring battle buddies with you, by the way. If you guys are going to be shooting at night, bring some friends with you. Watch your back, fool. I hope you guys like these lists, and hopefully these will provide you with a base when it comes down to doing some night photographies in Philly. And yeah, just feel free to go through my Instagram and get some ideas and compositions. You know, it's fun times. I go to these places a lot, man, for real. Like, dude, these are my babies, yo. These are my babies. Like, these spots. This is like, ooh, I was here. Yeah. So when you shoot there, like, you're gonna be like, oh my God, Violent Shock was here. Oh wow, dude. Whoa, this dude's the man. Nah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully, I will be making more of these videos and tell you guys my secret spots. Oh, that sounds dirty. No. No. Places in Philadelphia where I constantly go to take some dope shots of the city at night. So I actually want to see more night photographers out there. If you see me in the streets, look for the guy with the long hair and say, hey, what's up, Brian? What's going on, bruh? Don't come near me. Don't talk to me. I don't like you. Just kidding. This is the city of brotherly love. We love you. We love you. Not all of us. Don't make eye contact with people. Philadelphia, great place to go to do some night photography. 7 places to do some night photography. Share this with your friends, please. Oh God, I made this video for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me. Thank you. I love you. Bye.